All right, we're here with What's Hot in Tucson Live with MCP over the Tucson Fine Mineral Gallery with Alesandro and the famous Federico Pezzotta. And now we get to play the game of everyone's favorite, except for Dad. He doesn't get a pick.
That's because there's nothing here from Mexico.
Easy.
All right, Alessandro, you're up first.
If I have to present one, I like to present this aquamarine. This aquamarine from Pakistan. As you know, I like garnets everywhere. In this case, the garnets are the minor things on the piece because are just small crystals included in this aqua. But why I love this piece? Because of the small, thin crystal coming out from the termination who make this piece special. In the last years, we saw so many on the market, so many aquamarine. But I like this because of the combination with the quartz, the color, the quality is great. Mm-hmm. And these small crystals on top make this piece special. Some garnets, but just to complete and give the sign of the provenance of the piece. I love so much this material, and you know, it's one of the most aesthetic crystals you can have in the collection, aquamarine. So we were lucky to have this kind of things in this moment where everything is overflowed by aquamarine. I think this was one of the cutest things.
It's always fun to find one that's like interesting and keeps you engaged and like wondering and. Because it's got the garnets, you have an excuse to love it.
I always find the excuse of garnet to find it.
Luckily, they're coming. Okay, what about you?
Okay, first I wear my glasses not to make disaster. And I would like to present this twin spinel crystal, which is the result of quite a surprise because this is a piece which was we found in an old collection, quite old collection. It was a piece inside a lot of calcite, and it had a very rough shape when we had it. And for this piece, only this part was exposed.
And then you did your magic.
It was enough to tell you that it was a twin.
And yes, we saw it was a twin, and we said, okay, the quality is so and so. Let's go for some trimming, and we started opening, and saying, whoa, on the other side the twin is much better, and the color was crazy, and so at the end it came a very, very nice object. And in the collection, the piece was without just spinel, without a complete label. But we know the origin of the collection, we know the material, and we are sure this is from Vietnam. Even if somebody was thinking it could be Burma and so on, but I am sure it is Vietnam because of the quality of the matrix is quite distinctive. And the other funny thing was that the reason the piece was exposed like this was because there was another flat unusual crystal here on the matrix, and probably the collector at the origin wanted to preserve both crystals together, but we removed the second crystal and we made a tiny interesting thumbnail, which is a typical spinel twin crystal, and it's a cute object. So I like to keep the two objects one close to the other. Thank you.
Well, I'm going to go play over with one of your favorite localities because I'm kind of in love with this pyrite over here.
I did not want it to fall again in the same locality, so but she chose it.
But just so cool watching the later stage, shinier stage of the pyrite almost engulfing the earlier stage that had a little bit of hematite on it. We were learning some really cool things about the hematite from Elba, from Pezzotta, but that took a long time and we had way too much fun nerding out, so people will have to watch the full What's Hot in Tucson to get the full deets on that. But I just think this is such a cool specimen and so aesthetically displayed. And I think Alessandro agrees with me.
Yeah,
I think you have to call that the gold cap pyrite.
Gold cap. Gold cap. Nice. We like that. It's a nice name. I like to.
Thank you guys so much, and I
Thank you
hope
for your
people
time.
get the chance to come on down here and see what you have. and look forward to seeing what you guys get up to next year.
Thank you.
Yeah, we will work hard. Huh?
Yeah.
We'll be back.
Thank you, Lauren.
We already have some
Things up your sleeve.
some ideas for the next
you will
year.
see. You will see.
You will
That is
see.
something
Preparing.
All right, that's what's hot in Tucson.
Thank you, Brian.
Thank you.
It's a pleasure.
Thank you.